Hey guys, it's me, and I just wanted to record because look what's outside. A giant snowstorm. That's a lot of snow. Look at that chair. Look how much snow is on top of that chair. Well, my sister's out there snow shoveling, and this is what it looks like. And the other side in the front. That's how much snow is out there. But snow shoveling. And my piano. That's scared. Yeah, and that is it. Goodbye, people. Bye.